What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy ricothewaver, and we back again with another banger. Yes, I said it. We back again. So in today's video, we're gonna pretty much just get a quick washing style in for beginners. So go ahead and grab all your essentials. You're gonna need a comb. You're gonna need a wash cap. I need to get my wash cap. And you need a comb, your wash brush, your mirror. Go get everything. I'll wait for you to go get everything. I'm gonna get my stuff. Man, you still ain't got your stuff, bro? I got everything in mind now. So you should have paused the video. Got everything. I got my wash cap right here. I can order this on my website. So first off, we're gonna rinse the dirt out my hair. And then we're gonna rinse. What you wanna do is you're gonna rinse. And get your hair nice and wet. Rinse some of the dirt. And first you wanna get your shampoo. This shampoo I use so y'all can see. There. Good shampoo, great shampoo, of course, hair wavers. Make sure all wavers, you ask me. Rinse your hair, get your hair wet, rinse it out I give it about like 2 washes, like scramble wash. You can scramble wash, I'm about a few weeks in. You can scramble wash, it's okay. Or you can just go like this. But I like the scramble wash to get all in there. So scramble wash, rinse it out, scramble wash again, rinse it out, and then we're gonna start the washing style because our hair is now clean. So right now we need to clean our hair. So I'm gonna do that right quick, come back. You already know the business. All right, y'all. Now that your hair is fully rinsed, I rinsed and I shampooed it twice, and then I scramble wash with my little scrambler. You get these at any beauty supply. Perfect. Now, just take a nice hefty amount. I don't even gotta be that much. Gonna lather right up. Good lather. Dropped it all on my forehead. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's that famous lather y'all be talking about? That's that lather y'all be talking about, huh? That lather y'all be talking about? That fast, just like that. Look at all that extra lather on your hands. Ridiculous. I got it all on my ears. Let's wash that off right quick. That's just, whoa, I went from light skin to dark skin. Let that pop in, okay. Then you take your wash brush. So for today's video, we're gonna use this as the wash brush right here. Then, brush your hair the way your hair, your stuff grow. Y'all should know how to do this by now. I'm sure y'all done seen enough wash videos. But this right here for my beginners though, this is what you gotta do. Yeah. But shit, if you ain't doing nothing, pick up that brush, go crazy with that brush, or shit. Wash with me. If your suds not this soapy, means your hair is still dirty. You know what I mean? If it ain't white, the hair is still dirty. Now, I don't know what the camera picking up, but on my end, these suds is white. You know what I mean? Then we're gonna wet our brush a little bit to get that lather going. falling from the sky. You always want to brush the same way your hair grows, same way you brush normally. Just get a solid brush session. Extra little suds, get you some more little soap, then you can rinse all this off, get the brush back wet again. Then again, you don't really want to rinse too hard. And it's gonna be too soapy. Lay everything down. Hit it with that 1-2 step. If y'all wondering what I'm doing, I go like this. Just, suds, get the suds off, and I'm not brushing my hair with it. Or scraping the side of my brush like this. Just getting all that on there. That easy. That's y'all. You want to take your hands. Wet your hands a little bit, rub it together. Just follow your pattern. You got to get extra soap on your hands. Get some extra soap, which is what we're gonna do. Like that. I glue it with the water just right quick. Rub it in like that. Check me out. And just use your hands like a brush. Follow your pattern. Make sure everything is laid into position. That's what you want to do. You want to make sure everything is laid into position. Let's do the thumbnail right quick too, because I ain't been doing my thumbnails. Right quick. Raw and uncut too. I ain't cutting it out the video. Y'all get to see that. One of those will be the thumbnail. That one might be it right there. I ain't gonna lie. That look good. Brighten that up right quick. I look light skinned. Come on now. I don't look light skinned enough. That's the one. Alright y'all, so now what you want to pretty much do, grab your do-rag. Grab your do-rag, or if you got one of these, you grab one of these from my website and throw that on like this. Grab that bad boy, mesh cap too, so it's gonna rinse right through. Mess up none of your legs, so make sure you ain't mess up your leg, but you did there too. Make sure everything's still in position. You know what I mean? So get a little bit of water. Wet that mesh cap up. You can wet it up. And make sure everything in position. Shampoo if you must. It's mesh, so it's gonna go right through. Check that out. See that? Get your mesh cap right now at Rico's merch. Also, you can win just to let y'all know, y'all don't know, real quick before I rinse this out, and y'all gonna be able to see my results in the next video. I'm gonna go through my cut, I'm gonna vlog it, I'm gonna bring y'all with me, go get my hair cut. So that's gonna be my results in the next video. So you gotta stay tuned, you gotta drop a like, you gotta comment, and you gotta subscribe, man. Cause you only gonna get lit from here, man. But like I told y'all real quick, on my website, link down in the description below. Y'all can follow me on Instagram at ricothewaver, Rico's merch, all that good stuff over there in the description below. Y'all can find all my links to my socials. But like I said, on the website, we are offering a free code. I'm gonna tag, I'm gonna throw the little clip on the video, and we're offering 10, 20, and 30% off. And also we're offering a free crown brush. Y'all gonna get a free crown brush if you land on it. So you spin the wheel. Go take a chance and spin the wheel for some % off, or possibly a free crown brush. Go take your chance, man.